Hi everyone, this is a pre-recorded video that I did a while back, and what I try and do on this video is answer a viewer's question. Well, a few viewers have asked this, to be honest, and it's just how wide are the distances side to side when you view or see a dash cam. So I get loads of cameras out and I try and explore this. Let's have a look. So as you can see, I've got the car set up and we are pretty much in the middle of the bay. Okay, we're pretty good. And as you can see, the wing mirrors just fall within the lines inside the bay. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to take it as though the lines are the outside of the car. And we're going to have a little look at, first of all, where they are on the dash cam. And this is both sides as well. The next thing that I've done, I've taken the liberty to measure 1.5 meters either side. And what we're going to do first is have a little look at this side now. Now, as you can see, I've actually put a little mark on where we are 1.5 meters. So where does that look like on the dash cam where I'm standing? What about the other side? Again, I've put a little mark on. So as we can see, this is 1.5 meters away from the side of our car, which is slightly past the middle of the bay. Where does that look on the dash cam? So as we can see, the actual dash cam distorts things massively. So it's quite easy now to tell whenever I'm doing one of my videos where we are, because I'm going to put some lines both over here, maybe a red line, here at the side of the car, and the same here again, and then we'll put another line across here at, again, 1.5 meters distance. Let's have a look at these distances with one of my recent clips. This is from a video a few weeks back called A Brisk Overtake. And a few comments said I was way too close to the cyclist. Let's have a look. So as you can see on the approach, I'm positioned quite well close to the centre line, and you can see that the cyclist is approximately to the left side of my vehicle. When my time comes to overtake, I move out quite a lot, and you can see when I pause the video that I'm already further than that 1.5 meters away. But don't forget, people, it's not the tyres that you're trying to be this distance, it's from the outside edge of the handlebar, or the mirror in this case. And I would like to add, this is a minimum distance you should be. And even as I move round, I continue to give more space. This particular dash cam of mine isn't very wide angled either. It's the VFO 4K and it's got quite a narrow field of view. So if you have got a wider angled dash cam, things aren't necessarily going to be in exactly the same positions on the bonnet and in the windscreen as you see here. Another thing that people often don't take into account is not only the field of view of the camera that you're using, but also the height that it's mounted. Have a look at this Osmo Pocket with only an 80-degree field of view, but when it's mounted on the roof of the car, the distances side to side look way different. And now we can take it to its extreme, a 360 camera mounted really high up. It's not only the distances that get skewed, it's the widths as well. Notice when I stand on the points 1.5 meters to the right of the car, and then 1.5 meters to the left of the car, how much more space there actually seems. So quite simply, don't apply what you see from a dash cam to your own driving, because our realistic eye view, as you see here, is way different. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I'll see you all soon.